To install Facebook Pixel on Shopify in 2025, start by accessing your Shopify account and navigating to the online store section. Click on Preferences and then scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. If you have not set up a Facebook Pixel yet, you will need to create one through your Facebook Ads Manager account. First, go to your Facebook Ads Manager account and click on Events Manager. Then select Connect Data Sources and choose Web. Click on Facebook Pixel and follow the prompts to set up your pixel. Once you have set up your pixel, you will be given a unique pixel ID. Return to your Shopify account and enter your pixel ID into the Facebook Pixel section. Make sure to check the box that says Automatically Track All Events and then click Save. This will allow Facebook to track various events on your website such as purchases and add to cart. To further customize your Facebook Pixel, navigate to the Events Manager section in your Facebook Ads Manager account. Here you can set up custom events and track specific actions on your website. For example, you can set up an event to track when someone views a specific product or completes a purchase. In addition to tracking events, you can also use Facebook Pixel to create custom audiences and lookalike audiences. This allows you to target specific groups of people with your ads and increase your chances of conversion. To verify that your Facebook Pixel is working correctly, navigate to the Diagnostics section in your Events Manager. Here you can see if your pixel is tracking events correctly and make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you can successfully install Facebook Pixel on Shopify and start tracking events and creating targeted ads. This will help you to increase your online sales and grow your business.